Want to know how to create an AI in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily create or customize your own AI in Messenger. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So first things first, simply open up a Messenger application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here, and on the bottom right side you should be seeing menu. So with this 3 hamburger icon, you should be seeing menu right here. So you can just simply select menu, and once that is done, you should be provided with these interfaces right here. So once you have done that, on the more right below AI Studio tabs, you should be seeing create an AI. So you can just simply select it, and now once you have selected create an AI, here you should be seeing various options. So just simply select continue right here, and then you can just simply describe your AI for stop, go next, and just simply prompt in your AI, and you can just simply create your own AI that should look something like these right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.